Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure Manarkeni v2.1 is installed and permissions are granted because the app needs camera and storage to function. Once done, sign in or create your account and verify your email or OTP to unlock full features. Then enable sync and background refresh so data stays current. This prevents missing updates. These early choices save time, so complete them now and move directly to set up flows. You now configure the core workflows that determine how Manarkeni runs day to day. First, set your primary workspace and add teammates, assigning roles to control access. This secures sensitive workflows. Next, create templates and map fields so inputs flow cleanly between steps. Connect calendar and drive integrations when needed. Then define automation triggers and run tests to confirm behavior. When test runs pass, make sure mapping remains accurate. These detailed steps prevent errors as usage scales. You finish by validating and locking the system for daily use. Run a full end-to-end test so you see real results, then check logs and confirm notifications reach the right users. Lock templates to prevent accidental edits, schedule recurring jobs, and export initial reports for stakeholders. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache, reauthorize any third-party connections, and check Manarkeni server status. This fixes most issues quickly. Finally, document one workflow change so future updates remain consistent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.